Today we'll be speaking on a very important topic, Vedas in the different ages. The Vedas claim to be a Paurusha of divine origin. This is confirmed in the Yajur Veda 31.7 and Atharva Veda 11.7.24, where it states that God generates the Vedas and revealed all the things through them. So the Vedas, like the manual that comes with a machine, came at the dawn of creation. The Puranas, like the Kurma, Vayu and Bhagavat Purana, explain that in the beginning of the creation, the Supreme Lord Krishna or Vishnu imparted the Vedas to Brahma, the first living entity. The spiritual sound of Krishna's flute entered this material world as the original word Om. This spiritual seed of all sounds that entered Brahma's ear came out of his mouth as the Gayatri mantra and the Vedas. Lord Brahma was thus enlightened with the Vedas in his heart and mind. From the reference of the Srimad Bhagavatam and the Brahma Samhita, we can say that through disciplic succession from one time period to another, from one teacher to another, the message was transmitted. At the beginning of this time period, known as Kali-yuga, the Vedas were divided into 4 and written down. Vyasadeva compiled the entire gamut of Vedic knowledge during the end of Dwapar Yuga and the beginning of Kali-yuga. The Vedas reveal that time is not a linear concept. This means just as sunrise is followed by noon or monsoon follows summer, similarly Satya, Treta, Dwapar and Kali-yugas or time periods follow one after one in a cyclical manner, each lasting over millions of years. During the period of Satyuga, Vedic chants were included in the Om, which is the root of all Vedic mantras. There was no need for expanding the Vedic literature because people in that age had long lives. They were pure, peaceful, and knew the ultimate goal of life. That was followed by Treta Yuga, where spiritual inclination of the people reduced by 25%, and then in Dwapar Yuga, spiritual tendencies reduced by a further 25%. In the age of Kali, the present age, when people's lives are short and most have practically no interest in spiritual life, Vyasadeva felt compassion towards them. Just as a mother would break a chapati into smaller pieces for the child to easily eat it, Vyasadeva expanded the Vedas into many branches and sub-branches so that people could understand them easily, as mentioned in Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 9, 14th chapter, 48th shloka. So I hope today you understood the Vedas as given according to the different ages as mentioned in the talk. Thank you very much. This is Dr. Saurabh Chaudhary, your ancient Indian Vedic ambassador. If you liked my YouTube channel, please subscribe right now and press the bell icon and download my free app from Google Store right now.